Welcome back, guys. This is the Tightwaddiy. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your leaky hose bibs. We're not talking about the connection of the hose to the bib, but the bib itself. If you're having issues with your hose leaking, I have a video for that. I'll link up in the top corner right now for you. So we're going to bring you in closer and show you the leak. So on these hose bibs, sometimes they leak out around the screw and sometimes they leak between the screw and the valve itself. So we're going to turn this one on and you'll see we do have water coming out from here and it's squirting out from back there as well. So we're going to turn off the water under our house and then we'll show you how to fix it. Since the screw is really rusted, we had to use a pair of vice grips to get it out because the Phillips head screwdriver would not work. My dad waited till I got here because I have to crawl in the crawl space and cut off the water. It's not a fun place to be. Now you can just remove the nut that's holding the valve in place. Now you're going to unscrew the valve from the hose bib. You want to hold the main body with some channel locks while you use an adjustable wrench or a crescent wrench to unscrew the valve. Now this should screw off and the whole thing comes out. So what you can do is replace this whole valve, but what we're going to do is take some graphite rope and put it right between these threads and this nut. You want to wrap this, if you're looking down from the handle part, you want to wrap it clockwise so that when you go to tighten your threads on the nut, it'll just make it even tighter. Now just hand tighten the nut to hold it all in place. Now you can take the valve and screw it right back down in. Make sure you get that good and tight while someone else holds the spigot. And now tighten this nut down the rest of the way. Then lastly, you're going to put the screw back on the top. Now we'll go turn the water back on and test the spigot. All right, with everything put back together and the water turned on, it's time for the test. So super easy to fix. We actually fixed 2 of these today for the total price of $5. Much cheaper than replacing them and much easier than trying to find a valve to replace that fits. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.